What type of memory is primarily used for cache memory? Cache memory is not going to be something that there's a lot of, and it's going to be pretty small. Usually it's pretty small and it's dedicated for certain things. So with that in mind, let's talk about our possible answers. First, we have SRAM, and that is static RAM. Static RAM is primarily used as cache memory, so I'm giving you the answer. And static RAM, it's faster, it doesn't need to be refreshed, unlike DRAM, which we'll get into in a second. But I said it's more precise usually because it's more expensive and therefore used in smaller quantities. So it's mainly used for caching. So let's say you are about to request something. Well, what you're about to request, you want to store it in your cached RAM. That way it's fast to grab. You know, think of it as static RAM is on the lower shelf, so you can easily grab it, and dynamic RAM or DRAM, higher shelf. So DRAM, let's look at that one. It's used for main system memory. So those are like the main sticks that we put in our motherboard because it's cheaper, frankly, but it is slower than SRAM, and it needs to be constantly refreshed to retain data. RAM is just a general term, so that's kind of out. RAM could be used to describe SRAM, DRAM, or any other kind of RAM that's out there. The RAM that's for the GPU, the RAM that's for laptops. It's very general, so that's not going to be our answer. Now let's talk about ROM. ROM is read-only memory. Similar to RAM, the only thing is though, ROM is non-volatile memory, and it's used to store firmware or data that doesn't need to be changed. Now there's different types of ROM, read-only memory, but generally read-only memory, it's going to store data in it that is not going to be changed. So there you have it. ROM, read-only memory. RAM is a general term for SRAM, DRAM, and other RAMs. And DRAM is a bit slower than SRAM. SRAM is the primary type of cached memory because it is the fastest. SRAM is static RAM.